hello. Come on in. Check out this house. The first room on the right here is the master bedroom. Okay, this is walk-in closet, master bath.
Hi, I'm Leslie. This will eventually be the living room for this home that we're building here.
Hi, I'm Pam. This is going to be, well, we'll start out with pantry, and this will be the dining area. And then if you come around the corner, this is going to be the kitchen. It's kind of a U-shaped kitchen, has a window. This is the back door, a little stoop so that you have access to the outside.
Hi, my name is Carolyn, and I'm in one of the guest rooms, and it has a nice window and lots of sunshine coming in.
I'm Barbara, and this is the hall bath. Tub would be there, sink, toilet, and this is one of the other guest rooms. It's got a nice sized closet, another nice window.